Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO A1. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Tap on Close in white to pop up at the top. And finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now tap on Receive next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. And also on OPPO, set up the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to choose multiple files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, select Send next to Selected located at the bottom of an Android. You can also just click a couple of files by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, those two pictures. Over here, select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide on OPPO. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your OPPO's camera at this code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!